we're going to give you the fourth part in our series on delegating. And I want to talk to you today about interviewing. Okay, so yet again, I'm speaking largely to my small business owners, entrepreneurs, and a few of my senior executive clients. Interviewing is really the key because it's what allows you to gather the information from prospective candidates that allows you to determine, do they really have what it takes? Do they have the skills already that are the things you don't want to train for that will allow them to be successful so that you can train them in the things that you're going to have to? Some things, no problem. You need to walk them through your system for doing something. But some things like, are they, good written communicators? Are they good at being time sensitive or deadline driven? Do they have natural leadership skills? These are things that you don't always want to have to really train for. So what you want to start by doing is go back to those competencies that we talked about in episode 2. We talked about what are the competencies of the ideal candidate. And you want to look at those competencies and choose, I would say, somewhere between 3 to 5 of them that are essential. They are absolutely necessary. You want to make sure that your candidate has these pieces down. And what you're looking to do is craft questions that require the candidate to tell you a story about something that happened to them in the past. Personal, professional, I don't care. A story from the past that demonstrates how they used that competency in order to be successful at something. So tell me about a project which you had to complete that was very deadline driven. That's an example of a question you might ask that would help you to determine this person had that deadline driven kind of competency. My best, and I know I've talked to you guys about this before, my best resource for this is How to Hire the Right Person for the Right Job Every Time. There's actually a whole section in here that goes by competency and gives you several sample questions, 3 to 5 questions for each one. That can be a really great resource to help you find some good questions. Get them to tell you stories. You want to know what they've done in the past. That's what's going to help you find the best person to help you with your delegated tasks. So this has been your final episode in the Living Peace Delegation series of Tuesday Tips. We'll see you